Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Mircospikes for hiking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hillsound Trail Crampons. The Hillsound Trail Crampons are another pair of awesome microspikes. They fit nice and securely, are durable, and will give you all the traction you need to hike across icy terrain. They come with 18 durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel spikes spread between the forefoot and heel. The spikes dig in deep to give you an amazing grip when ascending or descending on the trail. The side chain links are double-linked, making them stronger than most and giving you excellent side-to-side stability. They lead to a tough elastomer harness that fits any kind of footwear, and the included Velcro strap ensures they stay put while you're hiking. Once on, these microspikes are super comfy and are great to use on long or multi-day hikes. The only downside is that they can build up a bit of ice that will need removing from time to time. Overall, the Hillsound Trail Crampons are awesome all-terrain microspikes that will last many a winter and come with a 2-year warranty. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Olf Baby Crampons. If you're looking for a deal, then look no further than the Olf Baby Crampons. For under $10 you can get all the traction you need for casual everyday hiking on ice. These microspikes are made from a stretchy elastomer harness that covers most footwear out there. It's easy to slip onto your shoes, and once on, it'll hold its position to give you great stability. On the base, you have 13 spikes that dig in nicely to any icy terrains, and the durable chain links hold you steady from any side-to-side movement that could make you off balance. The Olf Baby Crampons are comfy in short bursts, but if you're going on a long day or multi-day hike, they can be a little uncomfortable. It's also a little tricky to get your sizing right, so pay attention to the charts. Overall, these are some awesome microspikes that do a hell of a lot for such a small price. If you're looking for some casual everyday hiking microspikes, don't hesitate to buy these. At number 3, we have the EnergeticSky Ice Spikes. The EnergeticSky Ice Spikes also use a slightly different design compared to most. They feature a silicone frame with chain links that lead to a silicone pad on the toes and heel. Each pad is fitted with multiple stainless steel spikes to give you awesome traction when hiking through snow and ice. They are strategically placed to ensure your weight is distributed evenly, giving you excellent balance. The silicone frame is stretchy, making them very easy to put on. It's so stretchy, in fact, that snapping or tearing it is almost impossible. And the stainless steel spikes and chain links are both durable and corrosion resistant. Once on, the EnergeticSky Ice Spikes feel light on your feet, but the sizing is tricky to get right. Once you have found the size for you, they do fit on almost any kind of footwear out there. While they are made for all terrains, the spikes aren't very long, and you may want something a bit larger if you're climbing steep trails. Otherwise, they are a solid pair of microspikes for hiking. At number 2, we have the Ravifun Microspikes. The Ravifun Microspikes have an original microspike design with an elastic rubber band at the top that leads stainless steel links and high-quality stainless steel crampons. The crampons come with 18 teeth spread between the toe and heel to give you an amazing grip in icy conditions. The teeth are quite long and are suited to hiking steeper trails, but the teeth do bend a little if you walk on hard surfaces like concrete. The rubber frame will slide over any footwear, and once in place there is a Velcro strap that allows you to tighten them for a snug fit. The addition of the strap ensures they don't move around or need adjusting while you hike. When wearing them, they feel light and you'll feel very stable on your feet. The only downside is finding the right size, so take your time working this out. Overall, an excellent pair of microspikes, just try not to use them on hard surfaces too much. And finally, at number 1, we have the OuterStar Microspikes. The OuterStar Microspikes are similar in design to the Ravifun model above, but their spikes are a little shorter and there are fewer of them. The OuterStar Microspikes use a rubber frame with a steel chain and stainless steel spikes to keep you on your feet. The chain aids in side-to-side stability while the spikes are there for you to dig into the ground on steeper trails. They are easy to slide on and take off. Once on, they are very comfy and hold their position excellently. You won't have to constantly readjust or anything like that with these. They give you great traction on ice and are ideal for everyday use and non-extreme hikes. However, they aren't the most durable pair out there. There are reports of the rubber falling apart after a season of use and storage, while others have had slight issues with the chain links. Overall, a solid pair of everyday microspikes, but don't take them on intense trails as you may push the rubber or chain links too far. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.